Hello, I have a recipe for delicious baked white sausage with onions for you. You can find the list of ingredients in the description below the video. I invite new viewers to subscribe to my channel. Pour 1/3 cup of water or broth, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of French mustard into an oven-proof dish. Season with pepper and add a teaspoon of marjoram, then mix everything. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onions and mix them in the prepared marinade, then arrange the white sausage. I have a parboiled one here scored on both sides. I am also rolling it in the prepared marinade, and now we can bake it like this. I baked it in a fat-free fryer at 374 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. In the oven, bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Halfway through the baking time, we can turn the sausage over. It looks beautiful and tastes very good. I recommend it. Bon appetit!